he has a bedroom in the cathedral. Wala naman kami sinasabi kung ano man. But he has a bedroom in the cathedral.
Yes, napasok ko yan
Next
kanina.
slide. Next slide, please. So, dito sir, obserbahan niyo yung aso. Aside from the technical equipment, ito ho ang aso nang pumasok dyan. Tingnan niyo yung aso sa lower right. Scratching the floor, indicating that there's life beneath. Rescue dog yan, sir. Naghahanap yan ng mga taong trapped under the rapples. Pero, unless na indicator yan, sir, ng positive. Nga may naaamoy siya sa ilalim ng carpet. Ito sa baba naman, sir, makikita nyo, magtatatahol naman yung aso na yan, sir. Unless na naturuan ng aso.
O bakit wala kayo nakita?
Hindi pa namin, sir, nabubutas yan, sir.
Ha?
Hindi pa namin nabubutas
Bakit
yan.
hindi nyo binutas?
Bubutasin natin, sir.
Ha?
Later on, sir. Di, sir.
O
Hindi namin.
yung prolonging gagunin. Nakita ko na yung nagkakuha na yung aso, signaling positive presence ng light doon sa ilalim. Hindi na nyo kagad naksinan.
Hindi pa kami, sir, nakakapapas. Diyan, sir, kasi cathedral yan, sir. Take into consideration the sensibilities of KOJC. Hindi namin, sir, gagawin yung butas yan, sir, na kasing laki nung ginawa namin sa basement. Because if they will allow us, we'll enter on drilling
You
machine.
really want to arrest Pastor Kibuloy.
Yes, sir. We'll use...
13 days stay. Bakit hindi nyo ginawa yan?
Nakita naman natin, sir, yung resistance on the first 1 week na talaga, sir, na we cannot bring in the equipment that we need. They really want, they stop us, yung sinasabi nila, sir, na x-ray. Kita mo, sir, pati ang pickaxe, hindi namin maipasok ng basta-basta. That's why I really, after those, their allegations,
Alam mo, Nick, everything will be settled. Yung paghaharang nila, hindi nila naharang sa inyo kung meron kayong search warrant. Gawin ninyo ang search warrant para...
sir, we cannot apply for a search warrant. Considering that search warrant is used for contraband things and illegal items, we are not alleging that, sir. What we are looking for is a person. No judge will issue us a search warrant because we do not allege that there's drugs there. We do not allege that there are illegal items there, sir. The search warrant will only cover things because it will say that you are commanded to bring to me this caliber 45, which is illegal in the possession of Mr. Salvador. Yan, sir. We cannot take lies.
I agree.
Yes, sir.
I agree.
Thank you, sir.